So if we look at the technical requirements, these technical requirements apply to the design, construction, commissioning, operation of open loop and closed loop systems. And broadly in Ireland, these technical requirements are covered by the following standards. ISEN 17522 of 2023, which is effectively, it's an EN standard, which you will see applicable in other countries as well. That covers the design and construction of backfilled and grouted borehole heat exchangers and is therefore only applicable to closed loop systems. There is a standard recommendation document, 50-4 of 2021, published by the National Standards Authority of Ireland, and part 4 of that document is applicable to heat pump systems for dwellings, including both open loop and closed loop systems. There are 2 then other specific guidance documents, the EPA Drinking Water Advice Note number 14, which specifies the methods for borehole construction and wellhead protection, which is applicable to open loop systems, and similarly the IGI water well drilling guidelines, which cover the same topic. These guidance documents at the moment are not legally binding, but this may change as part of the new legislation and regulations that were mentioned earlier. So in terms of training and certification, training and certification is applicable to broadly 2 groups of specialists, to drillers and to heat pump installers. The certifications are not specific to geothermal systems, but are more generic training and certifications. So the geodrilling apprenticeship is a 2-year program that combines work experience and academic study for drillers and provides a level 6 certification in drilling. The topics covered, however, are all types of drilling from geotechnical, water wells, and to some extent geothermal systems. The second training and certification scheme is applicable to heat pump installation, commissioning, maintenance and servicing, and this is a level 6 certification, which requires installers to be effectively certified, and these installers must have either a level 6 certification in plumbing or a higher degree in mechanical and electrical design. Finally, some background information and references. The 2 key ones are the geothermal potential and geothermal suitability. So the geothermal suitability maps and homeowners handbook, you can see the link there on the screen, are very useful maps published by Geological Survey Ireland, who provide an initial screening tool for the use of open loop and closed loop systems across Ireland. There is also a second set of maps published by the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. You see the link again there on the screen, and these demonstrate both the shallow and the deeper geothermal potential in terms of temperature maps and different depths. There are 2 key policy documents that underpin the legislative and regulatory changes that are currently ongoing in Ireland, and those are the Roadmap for a Policy and Regulatory Framework published by the Department in 2020, and then the Policy Statement on Geothermal Energy for the Circular Economy published in 2023. Thank you for listening.